Today we are currently talking about soundbars. This soundbar is in the assembly phase and is composed of 3 components: the grill, the speaker and the cabinet. Obviously when the product is delivered and assembled, so it will be a single piece, and it has a particular feature. It is entirely and completely made of painted steel. Additionally, this soundbar is specifically customized, made to measure for a customer. It also has another feature. It is over 180 cm. This soundbar has 3 channels: the center channel, the right channel and the left channel. Obviously it is designed to be placed under the TV. In this case it will be a very large TV, because being longer than 180 cm, I imagine it has a large screen size. Huge TV. But is policiaggio even a word? I don't know. At the back there is this slot with which it is possible to mount this soundbar on the wall, basically using the classic wall plug. But you can also simply and easily place it on top of the furniture. This is the connector. To make the additional necessary connection to the amplifier, then you go to connect it. If we have our equipment, wall mounting box for connecting electrical cables in this case, audio cables, once mounted we have no elements sticking out, no disturbing elements, such as cables or other things between the wall and our soundbar. The 3 channels are identical. So by analyzing one, we have a double woofer with a diameter of 8.8 cm, which means approximately 8.8 cm in diameter, and the tweeter width. The coil has a diameter of 2 cm. Here it is, the magnet, it's huge, about 7 cm in diameter. And for a speaker with a diameter of 8.8 cm, it is definitely very large. For any doubts or questions, feel free to ask. Write to me in the comments. Good sound to everyone, and see you in the next video. See you soon.